What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? So for these delicious pan-fried chicken sandwiches, all we're going to need is sandwich chip pickles, salt, black pepper, I'm using Himalayan pink, I'm using brioche buns, steak tomatoes, honey barbecue sauce, you can use whatever type of barbecue sauce you like, I'm using artisan lettuce, and of course, our chicken breast. This is a delicious and an easy sandwich to make. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you guys, is clean your chicken breast nice and thoroughly. And now we're going to go ahead and fillet our chicken breast. Cut this into 2 pieces, just like so. Next, we're going to go ahead and season our chicken just with salt and pepper. That is it. Our black pepper. And I'm going to let this sit for about 15-20 minutes to let the flavor set in. Now we're going to go ahead and take about 3 tablespoons of oil, and we're going to spread this out evenly, just like so. Now it's time to get sizzling. We're going to place our chicken breasts on and let these cook. And this is it, you guys. It's the easiest sandwich to make. We're going to go ahead and flip these over. Look at that flavor. Now I like to take a little bit of butter, you guys. Give it just a little bit of a buttery taste. Yes. And the hard part is over. All we're doing now is just cooking. Look at that flavor. Give me a like. All right. We're gonna add a little bit more butter. You know how I like my butter, you guys. But until then, quick facts. How much protein does chicken have per gram? The protein in chicken, no matter which type of chicken you enjoy, rest assured you'll be getting plenty of protein. A 4-ounce roasted chicken breast gives you just over 25 grams of protein. If you're a more thigh meat fan, 4 ounces of boneless, skinless thigh offers 28 grams of protein. Pretty cool. That is pretty cool, you guys. All right, now we're gonna let this butter melt. We're gonna spread it around here a little bit. And this is it to our summertime chicken sandwiches, you guys. Healthy and very delicious. Look at that. That's flavor, you guys. Okay, and now for our barbecue chicken, we're just gonna warm up our barbecue in a nice saucepan, and then we're gonna put our chicken breast in it and lather that up real nice. Look at that. This is gonna be juicy and beautiful. Okay, let's plate this up for you guys. I like to build my sandwiches with my pickles first. Next, our steak tomatoes. And now, our juicy chicken breast. Look at that. Let's take a closer look at this, you guys. You guys did this. Simple, easy, and delicious. And now we're gonna go ahead and garnish it with our skewer with our olives. Yes. Let's go ahead and get a nice thumbnail shot of this. Let's go ahead and clean this plate off real quick, you guys. Beautiful. Let's take a quick glimpse of how juicy this is gonna be. Now, I can't eat this today, but ow, it looks delicious. Thank you again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. We are so close. Let's make it to our next 500 Ddins and to our next food adventure. Peace.